slipped away from me again. How heavy are these words? Heavier than leather. Rushes past your face as you drive away from me again. How heavy are these hands? Heavier than blood. Rushes to your head as you walk away from me again. Forcing me to stay. Snapping out my voice, seems smaller now, but it's only whispering my life. Paper cuts and pride. I'll insist you keep these letters here and read them over if you can. And I hope you can see I'm more than this heap at your feet. Who are you to judge me?